What if I told you I just found one of the newest AI niches that's still completely unsaturated? Seriously, almost nobody's talking about it yet. And the craziest part? Creating these rare bird videos is honestly easier than making a cup of coffee. Yeah, it's that simple. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create videos like these without spending a single dollar. No expensive software, no complicated editing, and no fancy skills required. All right, let's jump right into it. First, I've already created a master prompt for you guys, and you'll find the link in the pinned comment below. Once you have it, simply copy the entire master prompt and open Claude AI. If you prefer ChatGPT, that's totally fine too. It works perfectly as well. Once you're inside, paste the entire master prompt into the prompt box and hit send. Within seconds, Claude AI will generate 10 rare bird names for you to choose from. And if you want even more fresh ideas, just type more and it'll keep generating new ones. But for this tutorial, I'm going with this one, Tenorine. Now, simply copy the bird's name, paste it back into the prompt box, and hit send again. Just like that, Claude AI generates a complete 10-scene storyboard prompt for your bird video. And as you can see, every single scene is designed in a perfectly structured sequence, making the storytelling feel natural from beginning to end. That's the real power of a well-built master prompt. Instead of spending hours thinking about what comes next, it does the heavy lifting for you. Now, copy the entire storyboard prompt carefully. Next, open Google Flow AI. Once you're inside, switch to image generation mode. Then select your preferred aspect ratio, choose how many images you want to generate, and make sure you're using the Nano Banana Pro model. Once everything is set up, paste the entire prompt into the prompt box and click Generate. Give it a moment. And just like that, your images are generated. Now it's time to bring them to life. Go back to Claude AI and simply type video prompt and hit send. Instantly, Claude AI will generate a complete video animation prompt for you. Once you have it, copy the entire video prompt and head back to Google Flow AI. Now, choose the image you want to animate. Switch to OmniFlash Video, paste the video prompt into the prompt box, and click Generate. Then wait about 1 minute. Maybe grab a sip of coffee, although honestly, this process is probably still easier than making one. And there you go. As you can see, the video is generated and the final result looks absolutely amazing. Smooth, cinematic, and exactly the way we wanted. Now simply download the video in the highest resolution available. And the best part is that you can repeat this exact same workflow to create endless variations with different rare birds and build an entire content library in almost no time. If you want more brand new AI niches before everyone else jumps on them, make sure to check out my other videos and subscribe to AI Excentra. That way you'll always stay one step ahead and discover viral AI content ideas before they become saturated. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.